In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find best Airbnb discount code. First, open Airbnb in your browser or launch the Airbnb app. Start by searching for your destination and your travel dates. Getting this in place gives you a clear baseline price, which makes it much easier to judge whether a discount code is actually saving you meaningful money. It also helps because some offers are tied to specific dates, regions, or types of stays. Before you finalize any booking, take a moment to search online for a current code. Type phrases like Airbnb promo code 2026. Airbnb coupon code, and Airbnb travel credits. Using the year in your search helps surface fresher results, and trying a couple of these variations quickly widens what you find. As you browse, prioritize results that look recently updated and skim for expiration dates or notes about eligibility. You'll get the most traction by checking a few reliable places. Coupon websites are a good starting point because they aggregate codes from multiple sources. Look for listings marked as verified and sort by newest when that option is available. If a site shows user comments, read the most recent ones to see whether a code still works today. Reddit communities are another solid resource because travelers post what succeeded for them and what didn't. Focus on threads with recent activity and pay attention to any details about geographic limits, minimum spend, or first-time user requirements. YouTube tutorials can also be helpful when they publish roundups of active promos. Check the upload date and the comments to confirm the information is still valid. If a creator links to sources, open those links to verify details yourself. Travel deal blogs often publish timely roundups, and many update a single page with the newest codes. Look for an updated on timestamp and read the fine print they include about restrictions so you don't waste time on something that won't apply to your trip. Finally, keep an eye on email promotions from Airbnb. If messages arrive in your inbox, they may include targeted credits or discounts related to your browsing history or upcoming dates. Always confirm the sender is legitimate and never share personal information in exchange for a so-called code. Some websites regularly post updated Airbnb codes and discounts, so it's worth revisiting your top sources and sorting by date.